Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video on Quick Guide. In today's video, I will show you how you can sign up for your Grammarly account. I will walk you through in the process step by step, so make sure to follow all the steps and watch this video till the end to not make mistake in the process. And before we start the video, let me tell you that Grammarly is an American cloud-based typing assistant. It reviews spelling, grammar, punctuation, clarity, engagement, and delivery, mistake in English text, and suggests replacement for the identified errors. And it also allows users to customize their style, tone, and context-specific language. Now let's get started. Firstly, you need to open up any web browser of your choice, and there on the search bar, type in grammarly.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once you search for it, you will be directly taken to its official homepage. Now from here, you have to tap on Get Grammarly, it's free button at the top right of your screen, or you can tap that button at the bottom left of your screen. Once you tap on it, you will be directly taken to its sign up page. Now in here, you can choose the option to create your Grammarly account. You can choose either your Google account, Facebook account, or your Apple account. You just need to tap on these buttons. You will be instantly get logged into your Grammarly account. But if in case you want to sign up for your Grammarly using your email address, then you have to type in your email address here. And once you're done with typing in your email address, you have to create a password for your account. You can tap on this eye icon to reveal and confirm your password. And then once you're done with creating your password, you have to create a name for you. And here it says that by signing up, you will agree all the terms and conditions and privacy policy of this Grammarly account. Now tap on agree and sign up button in order to sign up for your Grammarly account. And there you go, you have successfully created your Grammarly account. Now that was the step-by-step process on how you can create your Grammarly account. Hope you understand and found this video useful. If you did, make sure to subscribe, share, and give this video a thumbs up. I will be back with more videos like this. Keep watching.